When the message "Place to oil" with the A appears, it is a reminder to oil the rotary hook that appears every 125,000 stitches. Rather than oil whenever this message appears, perform this oiling just before sewing for the day and every other bobbin change afterwards. This saves time because the machine is already stopped when it's out of bobbin, and removing the bobbin case naturally exposes this oiling point anyway. With the bobbin case removed, a good place to apply the oil is along this ridge shown here. You can use regular white type sewing machine oil or spray lubricant as shown here. Instead of the ridge or the hook race, you can also oil at the back of the hook through these two cutouts as shown here. After oiling the hook, it's best to immediately spin the rotary hook by either pressing the cut button or immediately sewing to spread the oil all the way around the hook race. The B "Place to oil" reminder appears less often at about every million stitches, which causes it to appear roughly once a week. Do perform this oiling whenever this B reminder appears at the end of sewing for the day, as once the locations shown here are oiled, they need to sit for several hours to let the oil set in properly. The first part of the "Place to oil" B locations is the needle bars of the embroidery machine, taking either a spout oiler or a straw oiler and reaching through each slot and spraying each one of these needle bars. The needle bars are shaped like a drinking straw and are a polished metal, so you want to oil the upper part of each needle bar. In this diagram, you can see exactly where the oil needs to be placed on the needle bars. To access the reciprocator for oiling, follow the procedure for your machine to select needle 1. You can see that this exposes the oiling point right here, this yellow painted cutout. Allow 1 to 2 drops of regular sewing machine oil to be applied here. Never use spray oil here to oil the reciprocator. Also, as part of the "Place to oil" B schedule is the presser foot shaft. This can also be accessed by to go to needle 1. So while oiling the reciprocator up here, you might as well get them all at once. Through these two slots in this metal plate, the upper part of the presser foot shaft, which you can see with the red straw here, is pointing to the silver colored metal shaft right here, and the lower portion of that same shaft down here. Look for the upper part and the lower part of the presser foot shaft as indicated here by the red lines. These are all the oiling points on your HAPPY 12 needle Voyager. The hook has to be oiled daily as the machine is used, with the A message as a reminder. The other locations are oiled less often, weekly or less, when the B message appears.